Friday, Frank McKinney was Esquipe and Jolifco.
Something really
Frank McKinney was nations.
land in California.
Robin's at the gate.
In California.
This coordinate, Miss White. Aha! They're
Los Angeles.
Oh, nice limo.
Is there?
2001.
To Bassoon.
Coming soon to theaters.
Washington, D.C.
Good afternoon, gentlemen.
Virginia.
Legend of Atlantis.
Vegeta.
Fantasy. Well, that is where you'd be wrong.
That young Thatch gets crazier every year.
I can prove Atlantis exists. I'm sure of it this time. Milo James Thatch. I'm acting on behalf of my employer, who has a most intriguing proposition for you. It's the Shepherd's Journal. This journal is the key to finding the lost continent of Atlantis.
They'll never believe you.
I will find Atlantis on my own. I mean, if I have to rent a rowboat.
This is exactly what I wanted to hear. But forget the rowboat, son. We'll travel in style.
You're gonna need a crew. Yes, Mr. Thatch. But you'll need engineers and geologists.
Got 'em all. The best of the best. Gaetan Moliere, Geology and Excavation. Audrey Ramirez, don't let her age fool you.
The name's Sweet. Joshua Sweet. Medical officer.
Vincenzo Santorini, Demolitions.
Hey, look, I made a bridge.
Lieutenant, take her down.
Landing officers, submerge the ship.
Looks like all our chances for survival rest with you, Mr. Thatch. You and that little
Coming only to theaters, June 1999.